Wall Street has opened lower on this Friday morning. The Dow and S&P 500 are down by about minus 0.3%. This does come on the heels of the latest U.S. jobs report for the month of July. Now, non-farm payrolls gained by just 162,000 following a downwardly revised reading for the month of June as well as May. At the same time, the unemployment rate here in the U.S. dipped lower to 7.4% from 7.5% in the previous month. Now, the decline in the unemployment rate here in the U.S. Came as labor participation also declined. Now, given that we saw record highs for the Dow and S&P 500 in yesterday's trading session, it is fairly normal to see this pullback in equity prices, but it is all about the Fed's next move, and the next meeting for the central bank will be taking place in September. Now, given today's slight disappointment in the non-farm payrolls figures, some expectations regarding the timing of when the Fed will be ending its bond buying stimulus program have been eased back. And moving on to the latest in corporate news, we are seeing a rally in Dell shares as high as 5% at the open. Now, the company did agree to a new privatization deal from its CEO Mike Dell as well as Silver Lake. A special shareholder meeting that was supposed to take place today has been postponed to September 12th. And in other company news, we're seeing LinkedIn shares rally as well. At last check, shares were up by 9.5%, and this does come as the company reported second quarter earnings that topped estimates. And Chevron is weighing on the Dow Industrials today as the weakest component and pulling back by 2% at the open. Now, the company reported a 26% decline in quarterly profit, and it was hurt by higher costs as well as maintenance work. Last but not least, over in the foreign exchange market, the U.S. currency is trading lower against the euro, pound, and the yen, with the euro-dollar pair currently trading at the 132.70 level.